Hello, this is a video tutorial to explain how to best submit your 4-H youth enrollment packet for the year 2023 without needing to have box access. This is all being done with a simple download, submission portal, and then payment process portal. I have 3 tabs open on my computer to show you what that process is. All of these links will be sent in the email. The first one can be found on our CC Onondaga website under 4-H, Join 4-H. This is the 4-H Youth Enrollment Packet. Your first step is to open this up, then download it to your computer. Once you download it, you'll be able to open it on your computer and then fill it out. These are fillable forms. All you have to do is click in it and type your information. Once you have all of the information filled out, including any checkboxes and signatures, all you have to do is then save that document. Once you have that saved, you can go back to the second link that you will need to do, which is our enrollment file submission. Again, you will not need any login information to access this link. Once you are here, just follow the instructions. Double check that all your form fields and signatures are filled out, then follow the directions to upload your files. If you just have the one file, you simply come down here to upload files, select the file, find the one that you've downloaded and filled out on your computer, and select open. You'll see it listed here. If you have another document to upload, for example, if you are a volunteer and need to upload a copy of your driver's license or other additional information, you can add as many files as you need by then clicking add additional file and choosing that file and open. Once you have this listed in here and you can see a file there waiting, you must submit this document through the green submit button. Once you submit that, you'll see it upload and you will get a pop-up that says success. If you do not see that, it has not submitted successfully. Please make sure you are using the most up-to-date file, which is the one that says this year, so the 2023-24 year, and then using the submission link to the point that you are getting this successful submission notice. Once you've done that, you have to then finalize your payment. In the payment link, you will come to this landing page, which you will then hit the blue register button. Fill out your information as well as choose your payment method. This is all done through a drop-down menu, so choose the payment that you need to for your youth or your enrollment. And once you choose this, you must hit submit registration. If you choose payment via credit card, you do not need a PayPal account. It will go to a guest account. I will just put this in as an example. And you must hit add to PayPal cart. Here you'll see your proper amount, and you just come down here to the gray checkout button. Once you click that, you can choose pay with credit or debit card. Put in your email address and hit continue to payment. At that point, all you'll need to do is put in your credit or debit card information and hit submit. Once you hit submit, you will get a notice saying that it was successfully submitted. At that point, you are fully complete and you are ready to move on, and we have all your documents. Thank you so much.